Hi guys, I'm Warren from NEFF, and today we're going to show you how to use our multi-point meat probe. The multi-point meat probe thermometer makes precise cooking possible by measuring the internal temperature of the food while it is in the oven to achieve the best result, before automatically switching the appliance off. It can be used on larger cuts of meat, poultry and fish to ensure it is perfectly cooked every time. Depending on your model, the NEFF MultiPoint Meat Probe can also be used with steam and microwave functions. The meat thermometer has 3 measuring points. Ensure that the middle measuring point is inserted into the center of the food. For larger cuts of meat, insert the meat thermometer at an angle from above and push it as far as it will go into the meat. For thin pieces of meat, such as a side of salmon, insert the meat thermometer from the side at the thickest point. For a whole chicken, insert the meat thermometer as far as it will go into the breast fillet at the shoulder from wing to wing. Place your food into the oven and insert the meat probe into the socket on the left-hand side of the cooking compartment. Close the appliance door. Select the type of heating and the temperature. Then set the core temperature. Touch the start button. Remember that you can refer to your manual for suggested core temperatures for various meats and dishes, or Google your dish for more information. The appliance will begin the cooking process. Once the set core temperature has been reached, a signal will sound. The appliance automatically switches itself off once it has completed its function. Please refer to your user manual for more detailed instructions. Thanks for watching.